Looking to whip up a delicious and satisfying dish? Try making homemade vegetable fried rice. It's a simple and flavorful recipe that's sure to impress. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of cooked and cooled jasmine or basmati rice, mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, bell peppers, broccoli, etc. Green onions, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, salt, pepper, eggs, and fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. Start by preparing the rice and prepping the vegetables. Then, stir-fry the vegetables and add the rice. Season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. You can also add beaten eggs for an extra touch. Finish by garnishing with green onions and fresh herbs. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding ingredients like tofu, mushrooms, or water chestnuts to suit your taste. Serve your homemade vegetable fried rice hot and enjoy a delightful meal that you've prepared with love.